it's cold.
Tell the do-it-yourselfer here, and Dirk and I are going to try out some apple pie. And it was
Hard as a rock.
the way it was told to us is that it was cooked in a bag, whatever that means.
It was,
So
yeah.
I don't know. Apple pie, I'm in.
Paper bag to be exact.
Well, here it is.
The crust is kind of tough. Alright, my first thoughts, flavor-wise, it's pretty good. You know, like, you can definitely taste the apple. It doesn't taste like artificial. It tastes like real apple. But the crust, though, I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty dense.
I don't get apple pie very often, so I'm gonna get a little bit better acquainted with it before I say anything.
I mean, maybe it's because I maybe have a plastic spoon, but I can't break apart this crust. It's so hard.
So are we celebrating something with this apple pie?
300 subs. You've been 300 for a little while, though.
Yeah, you're big time, though.
Yeah, we're way over 300, so.
I wouldn't say way
By the
over.
time this comes out, it will be.
Alright.
Well, mention that we're starting to celebrate about the reaching what we feel is a milestone, getting 300 subscribers. Took a while, and well, it didn't take what, 4 months, 4.5 months,
Yeah, I think.
and we're real happy about it. And we'd like to thank you. And in a future video, which is going to occur shortly, we're going to celebrate even more, I think, with something else. So this is just the beginning celebration. Thank you for all your comments and your views and your all of you who have subscribed.
Yeah, I nearly broke my tooth eating this crust. Alright, I'm done now. How are you doing?
Well, you beat me. I still got some to go.
Cookie?